Hello, my name is Coach Krepp, and this is my third year here at Flower Bluff Elementary. I'm so excited to have your students here face-to-face for PE. Each and every day, I love to be a part of this program, teaching your child something that they think they can't do into something that they can. I'm looking forward to a fantastic school year.
Good afternoon, Flower Bluff parents. My name is Coach H. This is my second year here at the elementary. I'm very excited to have everyone back on campus. This allows us to have that personal relationship with your students, and it allows us to teach them very important core values such as integrity, honesty, and most of all, what we find important is sportsmanship. Like I said, I'm so excited to be back, and thank you very much for your time.
Beep, beep, beep. Am I on? I'm clear? Clear? What up, kids? It's Coach Mac. Coach Mac and Cheese, Coach Big Mac, Coach Crazy Socks. You don't know who I am. I'm the dude with the crazy socks walking around causing trouble in the hallways. I've been here about 5 years. Yep, five? Yeah, I've been 5 years. You probably heard about me from your brothers, sisters, cousins, aunties, uncles, whoever came through here and lost in a race. I am the fastest big hit on campus. If you want that title, come get it. And if you're a Cowboys fan, you're soon to be a Texans fan. Sorry parents, I'm converting your kids. You ready to buy crazy socks and Texans gear? Yeah.
Hello, my name is Coach Laux. I am the fourth part of our PE crew. I'm just excited that we're back at school. I'm excited to be back with the kids, full throttle. We've already been having fun this first part of the year, and there's a lot more fun, a lot more learning to go on. Right now they're at a developmental stage physically where eye-hand coordination, foot coordination are the most important things to start teaching them while they're developing at this age level. So that's something we really try to hone in on, is those skills. Something else we hone in on is the cardiovascular endurance. We try to get tons of games that deal with them running around and increasing that and getting stronger and faster. And hopefully just learning how to have fun as they're able to do exercises. So that is our hope and prayer for this year, is just the kids learning new techniques, new things, learning exercises, proper technique for push-ups and sit-ups and squats, and learning all those things, but also how to have fun while getting stronger and quicker and faster. 4-6 weeks towards the end, we will be doing our physical fitness testing. This is just a couple tests to test out their flexibility, their strength, their arm strength, their leg strength, and their cardiovascular endurance. There will be more information coming out to you as we get closer to that date, but I just kind of want to give you a heads up that that physical fitness testing will start in on the end of the 4-6 weeks about. So I'm excited for this year, like I said before, and I can't wait to spend the rest of the year with your kids and just teaching them how to have fun while getting better and while getting stronger. Y'all take care. Thank you for your time.